So we're at Rolex in the City Martin place, and Hubby finally got his, well, one of his wishlist watches that he's been waiting for a couple of years. So yeah, really excited. Okay, your face is in it. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm very excited.
Really excited.
There's a mirror right there.
Yeah. Alert!
After many years of waiting.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a slightly different video. We are gonna be unboxing Hubby's Wishlist Rolex, a professional model that he has been waiting for what feels like years. I think it was at least 3 years. So I am going to ask Hubby to do the honors of unboxing this, which is why we have a slightly different camera angle. We're just looking at the product today because, you know, Hubby's camera shy, so we're not going to show his face, but I wanted him to unbox it for us and just talk about the watch a little bit. And then we're also going to share with you guys our little story time on how we ended up getting this watch and where we got it from. So you guys know that it has been increasingly difficult to get any Rolex models to buy. So we're actually really excited that this arrived at this point in time. Yeah, without further ado, Hubby, you can do the honors.
Thank you.
So let's have a look at what's in the bag.
Yes, very exciting. So we have the catalogue that shows all the...
It's not on camera, but now it is.
So we have the catalogue that shows all the different types of watches that Rolex have and all the watches that we can't get because it's quite difficult these days.
It's very difficult. But yeah, it's a nice catalogue to look through, which we haven't done yet, but that's what's in there.
And
here comes the actual box.
Let's
give you some space.
It comes in this little cover and with a Rolex logo, and comes out in the protective paper and the traditional green box.
I love this screen.
Yes, it's
such
almost
a nice screen.
Like, what's that?
This way.
What's that?
Hermes color,
no,
Vertigo.
No, the
other one.
Malachite.
Oh, it's almost like the precious stone malachite.
Yes, that's right.
Very pretty. And ta-da!
Ta-da! This is the...
You guys see?
Can you guys see? This is the new Batman that was released 2021. And
the Batman is a nickname, right?
Yes.
Yes. So what's the actual watch called?
It's the Rolex GMT2.
I don't think we've seen it in this combo in person.
Wow, look at that.
That's yours now.
Yeah. It's so nice. Wow.
Do you want to try it on?
Yes.
I'll just fit it to your size shot.
Wow, come on.
Is
that like...
It's a good thing for me. I don't think I need to do much.
It's actually perfect fit.
Yeah.
Now maybe just one link or?
Yeah.
Or maybe just a micro adjustment shot. Yeah.
I should do like this oyster bracelet. Because I think
It's
that
more...
Jubilee will be too busy.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a diving watch?
No, it's the
traveling
watch.
Oh, it's a traveling watch.
It shows 2 time zones.
Okay, so
and
let's have a look at the bezel.
Yes, so it's got the ceramic bezel with stainless steel, or they call it the oyster steel band. Bracelet. And it's got the oyster lock. And it is the 40mm diameter size with the crown with 100-meter water resistance, they say. So you could dive with it because you actually go scuba diving, but how deep do you dive? Yeah, so I generally go down to about 18 meters when I dive. So this will be sufficient? Yes, but they say it's 100-meter water resistance, but everyone tells me that you can dive with it. Because once you lock this crown, it's waterproof, essentially. Cool. Show us the bezel a bit more closely. So why is it a traveling watch? It's dual time? So it's a dual time. So it has the original time at the moment, Sydney time. And I think I've set it at the Korea time in the other hand. Which is
what the bezel shows. Oh, and it's glow in the dark, right? These hour marks.
Yes.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Show that a little bit later. And then you got the Cyclops magnifying glass, which shows the date.
That's basically the watch. We'll show you what the watch looks like on your wrist, but let's go through what's in the box.
Yes, let's do that.
We can pop this down for the time being.
So we have the little tag that shows that it's genuine, and we had to take out the little link because it was a bit too big for me.
Yeah, so your wrist is about 18 centimeters. So they took one link out and it's perfect.
And then the serial number. And there's a little secret compartment.
I love calling it the secret compartment.
It drops down like this. Ooh, it's got the serial number on it. So it's got the key instruction booklet like this, which is in a very metallic green. And this
is the guarantee manual.
Yeah, this is the guarantee manual, and it's in really nice green leather.
Make a nice card holder.
And Isabelle says yes, so I think she said in the previous video that this can be used as a card holder.
Yes, when I unboxed my little Rolex, which is the Datejust, it's getting a bit tight because I'm getting swollen because we're getting into the later
stages of pregnancy. And then we've got the actual warranty card with a date on it, with a serial number and the model number.
Beautiful. Do you want to show us what the watch looks like on you?
Yes, let me just...
I say your wrist is like average size, slightly on the bigger side.
Slightly on the bigger side.
Yeah.
For an Asian.
For an Asian. Maybe for everyone else should be like average.
Yes.
Let's unclip.
Like that, and then unclip that.
So this is hubby's Vacheron Constantin overseas watch, dual time as well. Is it dual time?
Yes, it's dual time as well.
We initially thought we wanted to get the simple one. What's that one called?
Well, just the original
facing. But when we got an offer for this one, we had to take it. So this was earlier in the year, and we ended up getting in Korea, which, this is his favorite watch at the moment. But now we have another sports watch, which is really nice. And the two are very different, which I really like.
Yes, so just clipped it on and you can see the watch.
Oh, it looks really nice. And blue is one of your favorite colors.
It is.
Yeah, so you have a lot of blue, like colored outfits.
Yes.
So that will go really well. And originally we kind of asked for the Pepsi as, what was the other one? Pepsi?
Yes, we asked for the Pepsi.
Which is the red and blue bezel.
Yes, red and blue.
But in the end, I think we're happy that we got this one instead.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a bit more neutral with your outfits.
Yes.
Yes. So that is what the watch looks like on. Sorry, I'm probably just like directing you too much, but...
Well, it is slightly tight at the moment.
It's warm at the moment a little bit.
Yes.
Even though it's winter here in Sydney.
Yes, it's a bit warm in the house.
Yeah. But that looks really, really nice.
I love it.
Well, congrats, hubby. We're very happy.
We're very happy with this
that we got it. So, where did we get this watch from?
So, we got it at Sydney.
We ended up getting it from the same store that we got my Datejust from, which is the Kennedy Boutique. They're an authorized seller for Rolex watches, but they actually have a Rolex store in Martin Place. And we put down our interest at least 3 years ago.
Yes.
But the great thing that we found with the Kennedy system is that their waitlist actually works.
Yes.
So unlike a lot of other watch retailers that kind of, do the whole, you got to buy some other things to be offered these more desirable watches, a little bit like a watch game, I found Kennedy to be quite fair in distributing their watches, don't you think?
Yes, I got that surprise phone call all of a sudden. So yeah, there wasn't really an expectation to buy other models or anything to get this watch.
We just simply had to wait. It was a long wait though.
It was.
So if you guys live in Sydney, I reckon Kennedy is a really nice boutique to explore your interest. And same thing happened with our bestie and her hubby. He put down, do you remember the model name?
It was,
about 4 years ago.
Yeah, I think it was a Submariner.
One of the professional models. And he got a surprise phone call after buying nothing from the boutique that his wish has been fulfilled. And if he wants to come pick it up, he can do that. But he was lucky enough and scored a few Rolex watches on his European trip a few years ago. So he was very honest and told the sales associate that thank you so much for offering, but I already got a few. So he updated his wish to something that he doesn't have already. So yeah, that was our little story time. Thank you so much, hubby, for participating in my video, even though it was just your hands and your voice.
Yes. Very excited to share this with you guys all.
Yes. Keep drifting in the screen. So we have a little collection of watches now, which is really nice. We
may share.
Yes, maybe.
In the future.
Let us know if you're interested to see hubby's watch collection. He's got a few nice watches now. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching and spending some of your precious time with me today. And I can't wait to see you again soon in my next video. Bye guys.